Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to solve iPhone stuck on searching or no service. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. Solution number 1. Soft reboot your iPhone. For that we have to go to setting, then tap general, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now you can see slide to power off slider. Turn off your iPhone and wait for 10 to 12 minutes and turn on your iPhone again. Solution number 2. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. For that we have to go to setting and enable airplane mode. Lock your iPhone and wait for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, unlock your device and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Remove and reinsert SIM card. For that, power off your device and use SIM ejector tool and take out the SIM card, and also check the same SIM card in another phone to make sure there is nothing wrong with this SIM card. Now take the SIM card and clean the SIM card gently. After clean the SIM card, reinsert back. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. For that, open setting app, tap on general, tap reset network setting, put your passcode and tap again reset network setting to confirm your action. Solution number 5. Update your iPhone carrier setting. For that, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to general and tap on about. You will get pop-up window if carrier setting update available, then tap on update button. Solution number 6. Force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model. Solution number 7. Check software update. For that, go to setting, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your software if available. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.